watermelon.
Qual better? Thank you so much for your overwhelming support on my last video, the one that I was talking about how I got fired from my last job. And thank you so much for all your comments. I see some of you have already been sending in your stories, and I'm going to be looking at them, and then I'll end up summarizing. So with me right now, I have this box that I'm just opening up so that I can share with you some of the goodies that I have in store for us for 2025. This is my first unboxing of the year, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you. Over the summer holidays, actually no, it was summer where I went, but over the winter Christmas break, I went to Zimbabwe and I had so much fun. I'm showing you some of the pictures, and it was just an amazing time. We got to see family and friends, old friends. So take a look at this. Oh my God. I had not seen some of my friends for a very long time, and my family is spread all over the world. So it was such an amazing, exciting time to be able to visit and see family. So this unboxing, as you can already see, it's of this lovely Bottega Veneta bag, and I love the box. Of all the unboxings that I've done, I think this one tops the cake. Oh, look at that. So this is just the inside when I remove the top part, and then inside this is what we get. Look at how the wrapping is, just beautiful. Wow. And then there, just nice. And then inside we have all this. So this is your receipt, and it tells you more about your bag, how much your bag is. And then if you wanted to gift it, it comes with this gift bag. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. This is so amazing. I actually do have one. I'll show a little pic on the side so you can see one Bottega bag, and that one I got it from Timo of all places. When Timo first started, they were selling one of the famous evening bags, and there's the ribbon that you can use. And this bag was sent to us by our friend from Coeebags. You know, I've worked with Coeebags over the years, and they love how you guys respond to all the videos and all the bags that I show you. So look at the dust bag. Let me bring it closer to you. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This is nice. And then inside we do have this. And the protection is just amazing. You don't get no foul smell when you open. So that is one thing that I always look for when I'm opening my bags. So take a look. Ah, such a beautiful, beautiful bag. This is lovely. Wow. Look at this. And this color is in a green color, and I think this color is what is referred to as the travertine color. And look at the weaving on the bag. Isn't that beautiful? So let me just remove all these coverings that are on the bag so that you can see. There we go. So when I went to Zimbabwe, there were mangoes that were in season. Our house, the tree just had so many ripe mangoes that when you're sitting in the living room, all you just hear will be like droppings and droopings of ripe mangoes. We could not eat them fast enough. Even the neighbors came to share, but pretty much most people with mango trees and different fruit trees on their houses. The only reason that people might come to want to eat yours is because of the variety that you have might be different from the ones in their houses. So it's very difficult to finish them. So we end up just freezing some of them so that we can make some smoothies. But with electricity, sometimes that can be a challenge, but we do what we can. So I've removed the covering and now I'm just going to remove the inside padding. So this is nice. We like this when they do this for transportation and also just to keep the shape of your bag before you start using it. So I'm just removing that. So it is a top handle bag, as you can see, just beautiful, and it has got this, look at that chain, and it comes with this knot at the front, and I love it. Just take a good look at that knot, beautiful, and look at that, just so gorgeous, lovely. On the inside it has got 1, 2 compartments, and then on this compartment it just has this slip pocket as well as a zippered pocket in here where you can put, oh, I love how deep the compartment is, and I'm sure you can put, you know, some of your essentials that you don't want to be falling out of the bag just in case you drop your bag somewhere. And also I love how the zipper closes so nicely. So take a look inside, and then the base, and this feels nice and supple. And at the bottom it says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. I'm not sure whether you're able to see it, but it's right at the base of the bag, right there where I'm touching. And then on the other side over here there is just the slip inside, and then over when you take a look here, this is a magnetic closure that connects to the other side where you can magnetically close your bag like that so that you can keep your contents inside nicely. And this bag measures 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Top handle, shoulder bag, and then if you bring it all the way, and then this can be crossbody. So I love all the three, and I'm one of those crossbody girls. I love carrying my stuff crossbody. So this is it, and it's falling right where my waist begins, and I like that. And also, if I'm gonna put it on the shoulder, let's just take a look how that looks like. Just nice. And this sits perfectly under my armpit without having to dig and without me having to deform the handle. And that is just nice. And you can also just hold it like this, you know, and put it under the crook of your arm, or just as a top handle as it is meant to be. So I love all the three ways that you can carry this bag. This is beautifully, beautifully done. Thank you so much, guys, for your continued support, and check the link in my description down below for a direct link to this Niamo bag, as well as a link to Coeebags so that you can check the wide array of the bags that they have. Thank you so much, Coeebags, for gifting me this bag. I love it, and I'm sure everybody that is seeing this loves it. This is made of real leather. It is not imitation leather, so you can imagine how strong this is, and it's just nice and supple. This is just, look, I can bend it like this and it still retains its shape perfectly. There we go, the magnetic closure come off. Beautiful. And look at that. Just intricate detail. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to tune in. I'll be bringing you more amazing videos. Love you, and I'll see you again in the next time. Remember, happiness is not found in material things, but it is found in people.